Omo na chase unko umbra cafe Badwam Ahosepe jumezi na orokodo o hade as usual every Tuesday biano yepe big man be and a big woman be na yenyina atena say easy breakfast o hade na in there me guest no yeso nko kra nte bepe de betena say na etey nkoma me nyina ba abotwetwe no is no the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Now, something in there and pay he greedy pigreedy no. The more words no. He greedy pigreedy no. What share Mommy pay me use that. Man come off and he greedy pigreedy that. Eh, what bring kwa. Now, I pay but we should this big guest no more or a very big legend. Chrome had a say urban reggae and your mouth often roots reggae no.
Yes.
African roots reggae.
Yes.
Na ono the biggest. Chrome had a the title no man because bush enyum a why year from the time mama put me ringing besin there. Papa no tapo na nenyum so speak volumes papa panti no and pay ono na yenya no had enyim about you komo. And pay me guest Shasha Marley.
What's my phone today?
Nyambe na Adom na
wase. Oh, man, you jeda me share power.
Oh.
My show Instagram and on social media. I never thought I would meet you.
Did you hear that?
I never thought I would meet you, but you're doing a great job. And with that, those times now, I made all the name. You know, the people who were in the media were different.
Okay.
Right now, I've seen new faces, and you are one of the top faces. Yeah, one of the top faces. When I see you, I say, oh, this lady is doing so great.
Wow.
And then they share so I'm so excited.
You know, the whole year, what about coffee and pedu? And you are doing the whole year,
oh, you are number one. Yeah, you are the best.
Shasha Marley.
Yes.
Says I'm one of the top. Oh, then me here would be.
That's right.
Yeah, me show baby.
Thank you so much.
Coming from you, it means so much.
Man,
it means so much to me.
Yeah, you are doing great.
But what's so timeless? So
the main one. Yeah, because then with that, I don't know, said the you become timeless. And when God calls you for the job, He makes you fit for it.
Wow.
So, or your friend was regardless of the afflictions and the circumstances, you fit my stand and He sees you through.
Wow.
That is a calling.
Is that a plan?
A plan.
Okay.
Oh yeah, system and you know, it's coming from above.
Okay.
I'm Bobby man can but Obioza mama no I'm in J. And as because our message be about mama must be me
wow.
Since here with the but the new for Sprinters Road traffic jam. Message you ma all the say ya to wakumado. Say if you are in a position able to mama the traffic congestion wa being on my productivity. On beduna one economy will collapse no. So if you are in that position to make it right, you make it right.
Okay.
That's my sir.
Okay.
You know, because what and the economy now there's so many factors one economy no
was say
only the sikan could say the traffic situation in this country. It's me use Sprinters Road traffic jam no a case study.
Okay.
There although be kwejuma by 9 o'clock. No we do ejuma 11. How can the production go on? As I say message ya meje to yakomada enso ye di anyum. There's a bama or to other some akomado.
Oh ye part there switch like as a Sprinters Road traffic jam. Some needs a bit because I was going to ask you about it because it's a lyrics now. I'll say at Sprinters for a very long time.
For so long, yeah.
And traffic now called road no free to take. Traffic no. Exactly. I was wondering, in stay in Ghana most of the time. Sometimes so Watakra Day and I'm Intino, I am one part in this at Sprinters.
Oh, for so long.
A case
study. Because it's not only Sprinters, Medina, Kaneshi, down somewhere, everywhere in the country. Tell me, to social media there. I'm going to bring a song titled Sprinters Road. Obiso, you should come to Bolga. You'll be humbled. You come to Tamale. the traffic will humble you. Come and say, it's a problem with the country. As my son. And so all the action here, when they are no so bored traffic no flow, no bomb economy no gina. Because people would momentum. And while they started at 7 o'clock, you won't get there at 9. You get there exactly 7 or before 7. You punch in and you start work. Almost production no okodi. It's as a
me point there. As our people here in Accra, why you there? Say, although the baby in line, not only that traffic, but we 11. And see, ideally, in call so if you buy a 9 and come by 8 is in KB 15. Also, if you feel like 6 or 5 into London and Punya, the exactly. Into know how it's very productive. Yeah, but I wouldn't have pay me by day. I'm post Spinters traffic. What's it, mama? Maybe market now Eastern region. Okay. And it's Eastern region. But I'm pay me by me 3:30 a.m. I was surprised when you say at 5 a.m. I can say, assuming I'm in pondering. I was but so still, surprised. There's so much traffic coming from the Eastern region up in the hills. Okay. Up till now. And so what is it? We have to find a solution to the traffic system. No one knows Spintex road traffic jam. Okay. The word Spintex road traffic jam, the statement is just a case study. Okay. But it's a general issue. Factor. Exactly. A campaign against traffic situation in Ghana, not just Spintex. Right. Until no and I don't be in the position do but and you know social media. It's on social media, the videos on YouTube, everywhere you find the song. Okay. Spotify, baby. So no one was not one stream, and you know, because you know, Bibi or Yamina winning. Right. You know, Crana, you can't cause a TikTok videos now. Yeah, man. Affect young as a people. Into no Sankai to me a solve and Cobo Pepe. So you know, and I pay my guest over her Shasha Marley. Now, or Chima, traffic situation or come home, the young queen in Aban now, Shasha Marley, impacting lives in Jumano or Rokodan. Oh well, it's doing so well. And when I remember starting no bonumano. My messaging now is about impacting life. Okay. It's massa. Mobile me do the one day UTB what from or the right thing. Okay. It's the moment the impact group is doing the right thing, then my mission is fulfilled. Okay. It's massa. And impacting life in the society is doing so much great. The other yakodona is the message, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, I can't youth be after on your moon quickly. Always meet you. Me at working about out there. I had Obi Braminchen. Right. Or a big woman power me office. Okay. Now, listen to your Martha Crento or your editor. Oh. Now, also, what's my portrait is she actually be sent there? I've been to know them up to date. Also, the fitted time, Martha fish, and you know, yeah. City and listen to them in the debut because pedo who no friend Martha. And to be said there, on no matter no. Oh yeah, which of the matters? Oh yeah, two and piano fish. On Friday the funny cry. It's me pedo mo de oh yeah matter two and matter piano matter fish. Okay. But I would have no bueno. God of Franks one tasse. It is not about Martha, Bessia Martha Sabio, et Massa. I mind go for Basabia. Long time no Papua New Guinea. Okay. And where main for Matter tree, matter pia, matter fish. And one not you mean a better subject Ghana for no what fun there because where didn't sound the name is sound like Yanka Sabi. Okay. And one. No, man, it's about the man come assembly because all the problem I blame pa. Okay. As a minimum chromo, better than time for, papa than time for. Oh, nice man, then what about telling me no? Fantastic. It's as a yeah, my come, my chassa was normal boy. I'm the story no, no, okay. Way back in the late 70s, Martha delivered her from the lions den. I went for 3 days without the food and water, like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Were put in the fire but never get burned. Man was delivered from the hungry lion. Martha tree, Martha pui, Martha fish. I have fish, and I'm going to find fish. Fish. Until met the manna, Muraho, and my many pressure concern. Oh, I'm going for Puno and Tibedu, but Ben on the time when you oh, mammy, why honey pea? You buzz it. Martha fring our hobby of a matter. Yeah, it is a babu and an apology. Yeah, but matter of fact,
And you mean this is the last time American bought money show you do. Say we're gonna have. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
We're gonna from Martha, the poor chop. Mambonyo Namo. So be I just so that Yamata, Tuyamata, Puyamata, Fisher. Mancasano. I was at Yawa one time Cape Coast. You radio me interview, no be a friend. Hello. I'm a Panami, a better in town for the Casaka cry. You know, and see, my dad, no, and you man come house and you. What matters that? Matters? Yeah. Matter come you. Most na matano. Matter or a matter family. Okay. Now, the more often I can when you hear no from Casano. Yeah. When isn't here? Oh no. Yeah, very funny. Immediately say, America, well, the state of Ohio. Na T-shirt. Na what show when you Osu. Osu na wa Ghana, I wa cry. Obi even though Osu Accra. But if we are walking the street of Ohio, na a T-shirt. Na what show Osu when you ma. One gender or Ghana Osu. Okay. Or your Ohio State University. Okay. Ohio State University. But okay. At Ghana, how I know Osu. Okay. Accra. But no, but you look at us. And so no, all the way Kasabi wa Accra many bida is different. Okay. From. But you know born wa hansa. Yeah, but born wa have that. My for bas. I remember the good old times we've had before. I really cherish them golden moments. When you hear my music playing in the matter, please try and get in touch with I. You can yahoo.com on Shasha Marley at yahoo.com. Mata tweet, brother Mata fish. Na sabi mama tweet, sabi oya tawanyuma. No. It's as America Banco friend say the lyrics, the English lyrics. Na me told you no. Okay. What say you do? Chorus Mata, Mayayata. Yeah, but I mean, I'm sorry for that. The one sassy. Okay. Me and you natural, but still, you know, baby, I still matter. Yeah. I want you to also talk about the Sprinters Road traffic jam. Yeah. The way I walk come matter no one seven. One cause Sprinters Road traffic jam so and you are Mazabe. No one can also answer. Very interesting. Even isn't all that they do. Yeah. Of course, Twin City Mafia. Yeah. Talk about Twin City Mafia. What you gonna do? Come make we go there in a rubber style, yeah. Come make we go there in a rubber style, yeah. And you will be famous. I don't know. Twin City Mafia no is about my growing up days in the Western region, Secondary Takrady. And when the Secondary Takrady, two cities are boom. And so the twin cities. Okay. And now growing up, you know, the kind of struggle and the hustler, maybe from the environment I grew up in, you know, and now it was difficult though, but it was for the survival of the fittest. That's us. And no, maybe born in Twin City Mafia. But and you know, born in 2007, I don't hit to Australia. Because in Australia, New South Wales, were Twin City war. Okay. And so you really hated. That's what gave me the toy in Australia in 2007. Wow. Yeah. And so you know, and I have Badwam Ahosepe who my even a wedding woman. And also why hit to another country be? But that's myself. And the reggae na no bono. On your boundary. Okay. But that's and your reggae no cut across everywhere. Okay. No, check Bob Marley. One love, one heart, let's get together. 1977. More primary school or something. That's But they would still know that song is still trending. Why? It is the message and that genre, reggae music. Okay. But that's what yeah, them not see. Okay. Now, say in telephone there say obi a show CCR no so pede describe which and the kind of music na your personality as a person be dey hona. Oh, mo African reggae. Okay. Roots African reggae. Reggae music na Johanna sabi Jamaica for no one more popular Ghana. It traced the roots of reggae now. It has the roots in the African slave trade to Jamaica. And see, sabi slaves na donkofona wo fi na what call Caribbean one. Okay, I feed them for no. One and one to tono, other damn jana no other bay. Okay. So where you Jumo I feed them what farms so what care Okay, fear Africa. Okay. No more what to Africa, nyom what you teach you worry. And some better a kwafu way Juma, they are forced to work without pay. And I work for crime slaves no. And see be a group that we yamia son muye. We yamia son muye ya mansan we ne. No what to told them you know what you teach you worry. Okay. And one no say how can I sing the lost song in a strange land.
Strange land.
Matase.
Shasha Marley and pay ye be na ye no community had.
Oh, me makasa mazachi.
Ma mu wi amotedo.
That's right.
That's right. Na ma monton 3p garlic mixture. If I'm bibiara on shehen na or high blood pressure. Stress la hon papa mpon why kesa mo abrodo zike krebia oy de mani fun why bloated stomach ni fun why kakraka hon ma wonam aye utitiriti da menyamanyam ni nyina se wo bia 3p garlic mixture no oy 100% garlic extract obobo ye papa pebi na to na fa sa wo yereba na se anepe so epe zo boost wo day no in the energy no zo boost nkotinza na oy juango energy drink, Django energy drink. Oh, here pade unsabeke bi maka the vitamins no. Why ye muma toto no se epebia obobo we papa. Na bebe yet na so say oye cafe bar noir, owo jowlu ahade na ye bebo puemu owo ahade owo police station in Chan ma urban breakfast nyamaza ye wie ye bezi papa.
Oh wow.
Ye bezi
banku kan
Bankun no ye issue.
Bankun tilapia.
Bankun
okay.
Yeah, that's right. Starting a light.
Really
heavy.
That's right.
No awesome again. It's no. Meza Ahosepe jumezino me de besi hade me da so papa.
Thank you so much. Yeah, but most men damn fancy nasi. Okay. One I was supporting Shasha Marley music all over the years. And one, we be Mr. Shasha Marley wahin yentin kabio. This time is a new track aba. The new song. Go and look for the videos on YouTube. Sprinters Road Traffic Jam. The pedo biaka for you will not say. No more some ye dopa. Near from Bomagan and Tumpun. Thank you.
So, but that's papa de Jimbre na enyimi I mean show bebre. Deje ubi biari bia na eba boshe Ahosepe. In there me guest no na oye Shasha Marley ochemo new song Sprinters Road Traffic Jam. Huma yensom na yensom ye ni your family mo ho ofa wo ho ofa. Ye nyinara ye ho. But Ahosepe ni besi hade wo be Kofi Ampeju ye no producer. Ama Bilonzi our ground so making sure the bibia bokodo pepe nat oye camera nyame ishe ho nyinara mezi besi hade nyame yadoma ye basana yesha manato.